Hello, you're welcome to my Yorùbá class. Today, let's look at the difference between this T-O, C, and this T-O, Lati. This T-O as in C is a preposition, while this T-O as in Lati is a sentence particle. Now, let's look at these sentence examples to understand better. I am going to Lagos. Mò ń lọ sí Lagos. This C here is a preposition, to as in C. But we have this one as I have to sleep now. Mo ní láti sùn báyìí. This is a particle. Mo ní láti sùn báyìí. Usually, this TO precedes the main verb in the sentence. Let's look at this also. We went to the market yesterday. A lọ sí ọjà lánàá. To the market, sí ọjà. I need to call Ṣadé. Mo nílò láti pe Ṣadé. Mo nílò láti pe Ṣadé. Our Yorùbá ebooks are still selling fast. You can send a DM to get yours today.